All right, guys. So this video is going to be a good one. All right, it's about time frame analysis with trend. I get asked all the time, Jordan, what time frames do you look at? How do I know which time frames to look at? I'm going to break that down and apply it to trend and market structure in this video. So first thing, let's go ahead and just look at this. Okay, here's a concept that you guys need to understand. Okay, we all need to understand this. You can have multiple trends in multiple different time frames. It can get very complicated very fast. What I mean by that is, let me show you this. We could be in an overall uptrend, okay? Let me redraw that actually. We can be an overall uptrend, higher time frame uptrend. We can be downtrending in the uptrend. And in this downtrend, we could also be uptrending here. Just like this. See what I mean? We have three trends going on. We have the biggest trend, or the biggest time frame, we're in an uptrend, right? High, low, high, low, high. In the medium time frame, we're in a downtrend here, right? Low, 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 low. And in the even smaller time frame, for example here, we're in an uptrend again. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is where things get really complicated, okay? Because you can look at trend as a multi-time frame analysis. You always need to be looking at a multi-time frame analysis, because you're going to be getting very confused, like, hey, we're in a downtrend. You know, you could be saying that right down here. And then you look to get short, and then we just get squeezed higher. Okay? So understanding trend with time frames is extremely important. Let me look at ES right here. Beautiful, beautiful example. Price is in a very clear uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, etc. And then right here, if we were to zoom in, you'd see prices making lower lows and lower highs. Just like this. Right? I could zoom in right here. You could say, Jordan, we're making lower lows, lower highs. And then at this point, price goes up, and you're like, hey, we're in a downtrend. We're making lower lows, lower highs. Jordan, let me get short. Let me short right here, put a stop above this high. You know, aiming for new lows all the way down here. And then you end up getting stopped out. You're like, what the heck just happened? We're in a downtrend. The key thing you have to remember, is you need to understand what time frame you want to be trading, what you're looking at. Okay? Extremely, extremely crucial. Now, what time frames you're going to be looking at and which one you're going to be trading is all dependent on you and your strategy. If you're a scalper, you're looking at the 1 minute chart, right? You want to get in and out in a few minutes, then the overall trend in the weekly time frame isn't going to matter that much to you. But if you're a swing trader, maybe you're getting in and out, in a few weeks or whatever, you're looking at the hourly chart, and we're in a situation like this where you want to get short right here for a 2 to 3 day swing for a move down lower. If you're not looking at the higher time frame, understanding that we are in an uptrend, you're going to be shorting in the wrong time. You're going to be shorting in the wrong time, okay? So you need to always look at your time frames, understand what's going on in the larger context, okay? Because we can be in a situation, really pay attention here. We can be in a situation where price is pulling back like this. We have a 50% pullback. Everything's looking good, right? And let's say you decide to get short right here on this pullback, expecting another move lower. Because you're looking at this time frame. You're saying, Jordan, right? We're in a downtrend right here. I want to look to get short for another move lower. And we end up just ripping right above. Because if you're not looking at the higher time frame trend, you start to say, okay, I'm going to get short, and we just end up going higher. Now, the best thing to do, this is extremely important, is you typically want to look and take lower time frame trades with the higher time frame trend. Okay? So if we are in an overall uptrend, you typically want to stay away from shorting in a downtrend. Now, you may be saying, Jordan, well, this is like a daily time frame, and we're looking at a 5-15 minute here. Are you sure, it's okay? I can probably just take a 10 to 15 minute scalp, whatever, and you can trade it that way. Of course you can do that. I'm not telling you what you can do. Me personally, I want to have the best edge in my favor. And so the best edge is going to be buying pullbacks of this trend here. Make this blue. Right? When price is in an uptrend in a higher time frame, and you're buying the pullbacks here. Let me redraw it. Actually, this will be easier to see. I didn't draw this the best. Let me draw it like this. Just like this. Right? And we go lower. Because you got to understand, like price does this, right? Price is not making straight lines like I'm drawing them right now, okay? Price goes up and down. We have, uptrends inside of a higher time frame uptrend. We have downtrends inside of a higher time frame uptrend as well. And so if you're buying the pullbacks on the legs of the uptrends, if you're buying pullbacks in this area or buying pullbacks in this part of the move or this part of the move, you're giving yourself a much higher probability of success simply by following lower time frame trend with higher time frame trend. When you combine trend, you give yourself an automatic edge in the marketplace. You need to understand that. You're literally just giving yourself an automatic edge. And when you're going against the trend in a time frame perspective, right? Because trust me, there's going to be opportunities where price will be in an uptrend, and you'll see a really solid short setup, like right here. But if you understand we're in a higher time frame uptrend and you want to have the best edge possibility and the best edge possible and the best chance for success, you want to go with the higher time frame trend. Okay? So I know this was a short video, but I wanted to quickly touch on this topic because it is extremely important. And doing a simple tweak like this, just focusing on the higher time frame trend and trading the smaller time frames in line of the higher time frame trend, that itself is going to give you a massive edge in your trading. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you all in the next video.